Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be talking about the pocket holder style invitation and how you would assemble those. Now this is going to apply not only to our invitations, but it will apply if you are looking for a pocket holder online and you decide you want to find different things from different areas and then put them all together. This will also work out for you because it's the same general concept on how to do this. If you do like our styles, there will be a link to purchase these, and I'll talk about that a little more at the end, but I just want to get started on this. So this is the pocket holder that we're going to be working with today. It is a blush color, and when you open it, it looks like this. It does have shimmer to it. It's not super easy to see on camera, but it does have a shine to it, and this is also it in the gray shimmer color, just so that you can see that there are other options. So I'm going to put that to the side. So once you open it, this is the part that's going to have the actual invitation on it. Today I'm going to be using our Amelia design, which looks like this. It is a beautiful calligraphy style invitation, and I just love it. And I've really been loving the gray tones lately instead of using black, just because it's more, you know, subtle. It looks pretty, and you know, it's just one of those timeless looks. It's not going to look bad in 50 years when you show your kids your wedding invitations. So just for the purposes of the video, I have applied the double-sided tape to the invitation already. You really only need to run it down the sides. I recommend doing the sides instead of the top and bottom, just because I find that it fits better that way. Now, if you are purchasing through our store, you will get the double-sided tape with your purchase. If you haven't chosen for us to do the assembly for you, we will send you the tape. We'll give you enough that covers the entire invitation order that you did. So one roll of tape normally lasts about 160 invitations, which is a good amount. So you won't have to worry about that. Now, if you're someone who ordered from someone else and they didn't provide the tape for you, you can probably just look up double-sided tape from Amazon or go to the craft store or anything like that. I do recommend using the tape. It's a lot less messy than glue, and it's a lot quicker, which when you're assembling a good amount, you're really going to appreciate. So what I do is I just peel off the part that's covering the sticky layer. So then you'll be able to actually fix it down. Now, for our invitations, this style is made to pretty much cover the whole panel, which is important to note when you are placing the invitation down. So what I like to do is I line it up from the top first, and I pretty much put it almost all the way up. If you've got a little bit of blush showing, that's okay. And then the next thing you want to look at is the part on the side where you see the fold, and you want to put it just next to that. So once you have that lined up and you feel good about it, you're just going to put the invitation down and run your fingers along, and there it is. It's fixed. All done. Now, the other part is that comes with this suit, if you decide to do that, is the RSVP, which most everybody does, and then the detail card is made to match, which most people do, but some people decide not to do it, and you'll just stick that in the pocket there. And I mean, you can line these up really however you want. I like to just center it in the middle, and there it is. I mean, it's really beautiful. I mean, it's one of those things that's just never gonna really go out of style, I would say, personally. And then it just closes like that. So if you decide to do printed envelopes with us, we match the fonts. So this is what your front and guest will look like, and then we do the return. On the back, for putting it in the envelopes, I recommend putting the laser cut side down. It looks really nice if you do it on the top, but it just takes longer because, as you can see, it can get caught, and when you're pushing down and that's pushing up, you'll probably run into a problem. But you put it in there and you're done. It was that easy. Now for this suit, just so you know, there is a matching save the date. This is what it looks like. I don't really recommend doing a holder, but if you wanted to make it match, there is a holder that looks like that. That's a gatefold, and you could actually just fix it in here, which actually would be really beautiful. This isn't cut to the right size really to do it, but you could do that if you really wanted everything to completely match. Now, there is a discount code for this in the description box, so we're going to offer 15% off if you do decide that you want this one. Now, if you want more of a custom one, so this isn't the invitation style you're completely looking for but you love it, you can just send me an email. I do a lot of custom work. If you go to the Sure Thing Prints website and go to the Get a Quote and just fill out that form, I'm pretty good about getting back quick, so you can always do that as well. Alright, well, I hope you guys loved this invitation and saw how easy it really is to do. So again, if you've got any questions, just send me a message, and I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.